There's a big traffic jam on the weather highway. Still no camera today getting over the flu. But I want to thank Billy Goat Landscaping, a full-service landscaping company providing services throughout southern Maine since 1980. Let the team of professional craftsmen service your every landscaping need. Thank you, Billy Goat, for being our sponsor. Satellite picture has a mix of sun and clouds. The wind is still up. Wind gusts near 60 miles an hour in York County and in Cumberland County yesterday near 50. Here is that weather highway, a Rex block from meteorologist Daniel Rex. High pressure north over Greenland, low pressure south, Canadian Maritimes. That's blocking the storms from getting into New England. So we're not going to see a snowstorm here. It's not happening. Ignore all those pictures you see on the internet. And around that high pressure and that low to our north, we're going to have the winds shifting out of the west and northwest. So not only will it be dry because of that weather highway, big traffic jam, and that blocking pattern, it's also going to be chilly. Now, we're not going to get the big brunt of the polar vortex here. That's going to head south down towards the Ohio Valley and the southeast. We're still going to be cold, though, single digits and teens. But it's winter in Maine. It's January. It should be cold. It would be great for snowmaking. But you'll notice here with that big weather highway traffic jam, that big blocking pattern to our north, the storm hits Delmarva and New Jersey. It does not make it here. So you see those tightly packed isobars, lines of equal pressure in the atmosphere. That means the wind's going to continue with that blocking pattern to our north. Once again, that Rex block. But to our south, we're not going to have anything. To our south, we're going to have storms passing south, but we're not going to get anything except for a few passing snow showers the next really 10 days. So it's going to be incredibly dry, gusty, and a cold wind on your Friday, January 3rd, 2025. Gusts not quite as high as we had yesterday with near 50 and 60 miles an hour in southern Maine, but we are going to have no storms for days because of that blocking pattern, that weather highway being all jammed up. And it's going to be seasonably chilly. Now, in the mountains, obviously, that's the coldest spot with the wind out of the northwest. This is great for snowmaking, great for recreation, but you're not going to get any natural snow. The upslope snow machine shutting off, some snow up in the county, a few snow showers, nothing significant here. For inland, this is great for travel. Perfect for that, really. Temperatures 20s and 30s, some moderation next week. But this is not great for hardware stores that rely on snowstorms and, selling salt and shovels and contractors and landscapers that need to plow snow. So it's terrible for them. It's great for eventually going to skate on the pond once that freezes over. So it's a real give and take. It's a double-edged sword here. Some people are going to benefit from this weather being dry. Others will suffer significantly from the lack of natural snow. Today's forecast is sun and clouds mixed. A windy day, not as windy as yesterday, but still we're gusting to 40 plus. Temperatures are still in the coast 37, which is well above typical, but with the wind it's not going to feel anything close to warm, that's for sure. But we do love the sunshine this time of year in Maine. Clouds and sun mixed on Saturday. It'll be cooler. Notice temperature comes down 10 degrees at the coast. That's a lot more like January. And with the wind still being up, it's still going to be chilly, but not as much wind. So every day the wind lessens just a bit. For the Mariners, gale warning up today. Seas are 8 to 9 feet down east. A lot less as you head down the mid-coast and southern coast, but still, gale warning is up. And then for tomorrow, for the Mariners, the seas come down just a bit. So more likely that there's going to be a small craft up tomorrow with that wind gusting around 20 knots. Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather, but also thank you, Billy Goat Landscaping, for being our sponsor today. Hope you have a great and happy new year.